Getting ready. Gio.
Okay na lagi ni mo.
Doktor mo dit lagi.
Dili, hindi ko sa ito. Kala ka ulo ko ni.
Dili kay isa rin some prayers.
Kasi sa ito.
Diba si manghilak mo unya na ko tissue ha. Balon ko tissue.
Ganun siya.
Iwi lagi kay ko. Mana ka dal?
Iduka na ko. Hmm?
Una na dali. Kaya muna ko na sa bride.
Hi girls. Oh, the single ladies. Ano sa kuan? The group. Ready na. Going to the church. We're going to the church. Chan, chan, chan. Wow, napaka-beautiful naman.
Make some noise! This is the prosperity dance or the money dance?
Hinihintay natin Ito ng pagkakataon na sabihin sa'yo Ang nararamdaman ng puso ko Iyong kamay sa aking ulo Isasabay ka
I'm gonna take a piece of cake. Wow, that's a perfect bite. And right now, our bride, please do the same to your husband. Another perfect bite for our groom. And they're gonna seal it with a kiss. You hear clinking of glasses, so that's it. Kiss. A huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, very close friend with Jensen. So I would just like to thank my friend to be a witness for this historical milestone of his life. So just a piece of advice, just be loyal and faithful as advised by Father Owen the speech a while ago. So for the meantime, Jensel, good luck to your new path and additional baby. But let's keep it short, and as I give a toast to you, good luck to your future and to the new life.
Alright, cheers everybody! Dapat naka-egis ang arms just like that. Alright, cheers! 3, 2, 1, and go! And they're gonna seal it with another kiss! Kadahan bang kiss pero mabihon na ko. For all of you. There you go! Okay, yan ang kuhaon. Ang garter gamit ang iyang mga babadin daw, ha? Babagin. Sige daw, kamot na daw gamiton. Pwede kong tango. Ay. Maghilot ba siya? Ay! Oh my God! Ay! Ay, mga paghilot na nakita mo? Sino katawa? O saan niya nangawan later? Ay! Bibalik! Bibalik ang sunod! Nakuha lagi. Ano tagal sa masipag pangpa? Ladies and gentlemen. You gonna take your seat, Jackson. Boys! Dali mo, boys. According to height. Ha? Kuha ang garter. Ang iyang blindfold. 3, 2, 1, and go. Ay! Dancer si Ang Curtis. 3, 2, 1, yeah! Ay! Ako naman Mary. Okay, Mary. Introduce yourself. Introduce yourself.
Ay, ako din si Owen.
From na maglalis ng gabi. Ano mo sige lamano? Okay lang iya ka. Introduce yourself. Okay lagi mo lamano lagi. Dula kami ka na, ha? Di natin itinudon. Mag-latter niya ka. Introduce yourself. Ay, twinkle. So, kung sa'yo mukha ka ni Brennan Groom, yun yung suhiro. Pero gusto mo lang ito dito. Okay. Napa ba siya? Or ni-walk out na siya? Okay na to siya, dili. Okay na to. Okay na. So, right here, dili mo sa Pikas. Ikaw mo naganahan ka niya. Ang langit ka. Okay na siya. Iba naman mo siya. Ay! Okay. Kung sa'yo mukha ka ni Brennan Groom, yun yung suhiron. Sige. Kaptan ang duwa kakamot. Halkan ang duwa kakamot. Ready, Owen? Sige, Owen, go. Kaya makapanin mo ka-glitchon ron. Ay! Okay, Ra? Okay, Ra. Next act! Next act from the bride and the groom. Ay, nagkaduol na give ka ayo. Di kinhawa siya glalom, kinailalis mahimo rong gabi na. Pero okay naman, no? No, okay ra kayo. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, ikaw na. Naasipin mo dito rong gabi na kay marang peligro iyang kinabuhi. Last! Ready? Hala, mag-nose to nose ang sila, oy. O, nasa sila daw tang plano pa ng dulo. O, nasa sila yung plano. Na! Ay! Patipsing ra ko, no? Ready? 1, 2, 3, and... Ikaw ba? Galata kayo mo yan. Ikaw ba kayo nalipay mapugka? Ikaw na yung tala. Ay, nasa nagtawa kay Juan Kyle. Ato lang to si Mungayag. Ready? 1, 2, Ay lagi siya lantawa. Alin na ako lantaw para safe kang tanan. Kamong galit eh. Kamong galit. Alin ako lantaw para safe ra. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. O, dito siya kung lantaw. Dito siya kung lantaw na ako. Ate, patawad ang garter. Palihog mo sa garter kay musayaw ka. Oh my God. Very kind here. Owen, musayaw ka, parihan ni Jansel para mataod ang garter. Okay? So, pinaka-sexy na dance move. Yan, kay musayaw ang put siya. Go, Owen, go! Sa liog ibutang Owen para makapanyamalus siya. Sa silong. Hindi pwede silong? Dili pwede? Dili pwede. Alright, please have your photo taken together with the bride and the groom. With ako ko siya krispitar ni mo, no? Kaniyong kuwas liog, walas liog.
Good evening, everyone. Ako di si Mary Twinkle, aka Star, ang star ng buhay ni Leia. Our friendship kay nag-start sa Robinson's Mall. When I met Leia, she's already in relationship with Jansel. And I witnessed all the love and some struggles sa ilang relationship. Labi na tong time na nasi Jansel sa lowest part sa iyang life. Pero si Leia, wala siya gibiya. She never left him. During those times, I saw unsa nila kalab ang usat-usa. Dito nahubog ilang patience and understandings. Dito na ako nakita na sa tanan nilang away, they always choose love over pride. During the time na pregnant si Leia, I saw Leia struggle, having emotional breakdown during duty, and feeling unloved, not the first priority, not enough, but despite sa tanan ni kaagi, Leia is the kind of person who always believe in love. She's given more than she's taken, and she never once asked anything in return. She is a genuine person of daghan gud siyang pure and puno siya og pure intention gyud. Dayon, during that time po, grabe jud ang understanding ni Leia kang Jansel. Pero despite atong tanan, bilin po kong Jansel po, kay bisag na sa ospital iyang mama, lakaw sa tanang errands, na-manage gihapon niya na mag-effort para kang Leia. Naningkamot siya ma-fulfill iyang part as a partner. Sundo ni Leia every night pag out sa work. He makes sure na mapalitan niya siyang sa mga cravings. On his own little way, sa iyang mga efforts, I saw na unsa gud niya kalaw akong best friend. Dayon, bisag din na sila magsinabtanay. Paano gyud? Kung sila mubawi sa usat-usa. Their relationship might not be perfect, but they always learn and choose how to compromise. Today, I want to thank God for this wonderful wedding. Young, thank you for choosing me as a maid of honor. It's really, really ano. The Jansel, thank you kay love ka ni mo kong umiga. Special occasion para na mo. I wish and I pray that may your marriage be a reflection of God's love and unity. May the love you shared today grow stronger with each passing years. May God bless your journey together with wisdom and grace. May the love and faithfulness you shared be a testimony of God's goodness. May your marriage fill with joy, love, peace, and romance. Keep the intimacy, guys. Congratulations, I love you both.
Tell me that you want me, and I'll be yours completely, for better or for worse. I know we'll have our disagreements, be fighting for no reason. I wouldn't change it for the world, 'cause I knew the first day that I met you, I was never gonna let you slip away. And
We are still witnessing the first dance of our couple, the most romantic part of our celebration today.
got you here today. You make my heart feel like it's to